Hey guys, Litepanels sent me the Gemini again. I already used this one time before. If you guys remember, I wrote an article for Adorama Learning Center. You can see the link in the description with some shots I did, some portrait shots of Marissa. I only had it for a couple hours, so I had to kind of work fast. Now I've got it all day, so I'm kind of doing some headshots with Sharinna later, but I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the cool special effects in this thing that we didn't really get to experiment with before. So again, the Gemini itself is really easy to control. You've got this screen here in the back. Essentially, we've got a bunch of different modes. If I go down to effects mode, I've got a whole list of them. So I've got emergency, which of course is your like police or fire, you know, those kind of lights. You got fire. And of course, fire is going to emulate your fire light. And I should mention that each one of these has a selection of controls. So depending on what mode it is, you're going to be able to control various different things. You've also got now fireworks. This one's kind of fun because you get like a burst of different colors and they drag and kind of feel like fireworks. This could be interesting even if you were shooting stills and just kind of shooting along with it to make the color change. Maybe have like one steady light, consistently one color, and then this one changing. Hue Burst I think is probably going to be a pretty cool one for most people. This is going to allow you to just kind of burst, as you might imagine, a single color. Lightning is going to create a cool lightning effect, like a major storm here. And again, you have some controls over it, but it's pretty cool. If you want to really have an awesome effect through a window, could be really cool, I guess. And finally, this is one of my favorite ones, Paparazzi. This is going to create, you know, the flashing lights, like the paparazzi are photographing your subject or whatever. This could be really fun to do. So I think all these modes are going to add a lot to this light. Of course, the light itself is great for just general photography and videography primarily, and being they can be any color, you can control your color temperature, blah, blah. So you've got a lot of features in this. I'm going to shoot some headshots of Sharinna, like I said. I'll link those videos here. That way you guys can see the results we get from it. I think it'll be really nice for that purpose. Obviously, you can use this for filmmaking too, which is probably its primary purpose, but I think more and more people are using constant lights for, you know, portraits and headshots, or people that do both video and stills. So I think this could be a good option for you guys.